Alright guys, today I'm finally revealing the secret sauce behind the crazy quality you always see in my edits. A lot of you keep asking how my clips look so sharp, clean, and cinematic. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact workflow I use, step by step, using After Effects and Topaz. First, open After Effects and drag your clips into the timeline. Once your footage is in, adjust your composition ratio. I personally use 1080 by 1440, which is perfect for the style of edits I make. After that, head over to your effects panel and search for the unsharp mask effect. Drag and drop it onto your clip and set the amount to 7. This gives you a crisp, detailed look without over-sharpening. Once the sharpening is done, apply your color correction or your clean grade. This is where your style shines, so take your time with it. When everything looks right, go ahead and export your video. Next, open Topaz. Import the video you just exported and apply my exact settings. This is where the magic really happens. Topaz boosts sharpness, fixes noise, and gives your footage that ultra-smooth high-end finish that you guys always ask about. And honestly, that's the whole process. Simple steps, consistent results. This is how I turn raw clips into polished, professional quality edits every single time. If you're enjoying these tutorials and want more editing breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drop. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.